Hi kids, today we find a sea animals. Come on, let's go. Oh wow, I find a crab. Kids, you like crab? Come on, let's go. Let's find some more animals. Oh wow, it's a shark. You like shark? Come on kids. Oh wow, it's a seal. Lovely seal. You like seal? Come on, let's go. Oh wow, look. It's a sea lion. Hey, look, this is a sea lion. Let's find more animals. Come on, kids. Oh, wow, it's a dolphin. Jolly dolphin. Oh, wow, it's a lobster. Beautiful lobster. Do you like? Let's go find some more animals. Come on, come on. Oh, wow, see. Oh my god, this is a crocodile. Beautiful crocodile. Lovely. Come on, kids. Let's find more animals. Mm, uh, 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 uh. Oh, wow. Look, it's a frog. Come on. Let's find more animals. Hey, look. What's this? It's a seal. Let's find more animals. Hey, look, it's a walrus. Wow, beautiful. I have a lot of animals. Bye bye, kids.